What's up, everybody? Hopefully everyone is having a great day. What a morning. The cryptocurrency markets are looking stunning, absolutely stunning. I've got you covered with the latest Bitcoin charts. You're going to like it, folks. I've also got you covered on the XRP chart. The markets appear to be in great shape. Bitcoin had fallen down to the $88,000 mark. It recovered so well. Moving forward, we are seeking for the next important level of $100,000. Some of these charts will startle you. I want to show you since the markets are looking well. Then we must discuss the tails. Look, you will be a part of either Camp A or Camp B. We'll get into that later, but for now, let's leap into a Bitcoin, $96,496. It is currently up 5.76% over the past 24 hours. Ethereum is presently trading at $3,215 and has gained 4.22% annually. XRP is up more than 8%, now trading at $2.56 as it gradually rises. We are one day away from the Rebel V's SEC appeal. Now look, we could see something tonight, tomorrow, or on the 16th. The deadline is tomorrow, but as is customary with SEC, they typically file at the last minute, so it may not appear in the press or PR until the 16th. Let's keep an eye on that, because if we get any news that the SEC isn't going to appeal, it will mean that this lawsuit has officially ended. And expect the XRP price to reach a new all-time high. Even during this pump, the total cryptocurrency market capitalization remains at $3.36 trillion. This is a really positive indicator, especially when the price of XRP is rising. It is leading the way. It is pumping. It's sneaking up. It is over. That will break out, I believe, in the neighborhood of 2.30 to 2.50. The next focus is on the 272 range, which opens the doors and floodgates to a whole new all-time high, which will occur when the 272 is broken at the flip of a switch. When I posted this, were you a member of the Telegram group? The URL is below. Go to my Twitter, you may see it there as well. Join our Telegram group. I'm going to make a big move on the XRP chart this morning. We might even be working on a quant chart and an AVAX chart. We'll see how busy I become, but the XRP chart is going to be absolutely insane. It will provide you with a clear image of where we are going, as well as critical levels of support and resistance. I will show you whether the chart is bullish. I'll let you know if that much anticipated breakout occurs. Remember that when you join a Telegram group, you must click the verify button. If you don't click verify, you won't be able to connect or communicate. Here's a Bitcoin chart. Here's a simple, basic chart for you to look at. As we go, we'll incorporate some more indicators. You can see Bitcoin right here on the green line at 900, 7, 5, 6. This was the level of support we provided. We had that small wick down about 88K. We went right back to support. We kept pushing up. We had a sense Bitcoin was going back to this area. Look, the prediction was that Bitcoin will fall below $90,000. It didn't happen. You can say on the wick, however, we do not count wicks in these drips. We count the candles. So, no, we never got below 900,000, and here we are. Where is Bitcoin's next point of resistance? Very simple. 102,102,000. We called 103,000. The real numbers are 102 and 275, so a $102,275. This is the current resistance we're looking at. Now, if we look at the volatility breakout on Bitcoin, here's what we see. What Bitcoin is doing and where we're going. Add a few of these bad guys in there. As you can see, we started the reversal on Wednesday. Once we reach this green box, the price will likely rise again. Your maximum profit for Bitcoin was roughly $90,000 if you were short, and your short position should have been initiated on Tuesday. And now we're pushing back up. The 4-hour flip is bullish, as is the 1 day in a month. This object has a prime score of 9 out of 10. For those who are unfamiliar with the term, what is a prime score? That is, whether we are bearish or bullish on Bitcoin, and we are obviously bullish. So the essential number to search for is 102. The range from 100 to 102 is the one you should focus on. Now, let's look at the volatility breakout. Let's see what we're looking at. It's giving me a minor runtime error. That's okay. We can eliminate that one. Let's see if it'll let me throw it on there. Here you go. You can see that the split began today, around 3 a.m. As you can see, we had a wonderful break to the summit. I'll be paying attention to Bitcoin. Remember that Bitcoin is daddy. Bitcoin goes first. Bitcoin moves first. The greater the price of XRP in the short term, and the higher the price of Bitcoin, the higher the price of XRP will be. What are we looking at for XRP? Ash. Let's kill a few of these. Let us show you our first XRP support and resistance regions. You can see right here where we touched at 259. After that, we have the 272 region, and we can open the floodgates to reach the $3 zone. It's quite straightforward, folks. This is a very simple XRP chart. All is based on 2.60. We touched it this morning. Let's see what today brings and where we're heading from here. And then we may aim for 2.72, which we remove support and resistance. We can add our volatility breakout. As you can see, we have been using a breakout structure since Saturday, and it has yet to fail us. As long as we stay above this green line, we will continue to breakout structure. Anything below that green would suggest a price reversal for XRP. We're entering the red zone, the red territory. What is the red territory? When it gets in there, we typically see a price reversal. So pay attention to XRP and Bitcoin. This thing has been running hot since Saturday. I like what I'm seeing here, folks. 4 hours, 1 day, 1 month, very bullish. Additionally, the prime score is bullish. In terms of overall market attitude and conditions, we are in pump mode. Cointelegraph, don't forget this. In only 6 days, President Trump will take office. He claims Bitcoin and cryptocurrency will surge like never before, beyond your expectations. Remember that Trump is putting the U.S. ahead. He is putting them first. He intends to allow the United States take the lead in the current cryptocurrency race. This is exactly what we want. Outlook the old, who didn't care about cryptocurrency. Outlook the old and the SEC, who made it difficult for any Web3, blockchain, or DL